Now that you've figured out what course you want to do, you want to try and find out what university will be best suited for you. There are lots of factors you want to take into consideration. These are the ones that I think will be the most important. First of all, not every university will teach the same course in the same way. Do you need something more practical? Do you want something that's more essay-based? Do you want something that perhaps offers an opportunity of a year abroad? All of these factors come into play when you're trying to decide which university to go to. Second of all, you want to think about the university itself. What type of culture thrives within that university? Are most students studious? Do all of them spend their time in the library? Or are they more cultural, into their arts, spend a lot of time doing socialising activities? Does that university do a lot of sports? Is it really competitive? Is it something that you want to get involved in? Have you looked at the different societies within a university? Do they cover the breadth of all the things that you want to do, your hobbies and your interests? And of course, not to forget the university's reputation. You want to make sure that the university you go to is going to be one that's sought after within that industry. That becomes more important when it comes to subjects like perhaps English and history, and less so important when it comes to subjects like medicine. And lastly, location. Do you want to live at home? Do you want to live a commutable distance away from university? Or do you want to explore, travel, live somewhere different? Do you want an inner city life? Or do you want to see what it's like to live in the countryside? All of these factors come to play when it comes to you deciding what university is going to be the best for you to have the most thriving of experiences. The most important thing to try and help you decide and to help you understand a lot of these things is actually going to the university itself. Register for the university open day, speak to students who are at that university, reach out to different networks and see if anyone who's studied there can give you a real taste of what it's like to actually be a student at that university. If you can't make it to any open days, why don't you search YouTube? I'm sure there'll be a vlogger at that university that's sharing their day-to-day experience so that you can get a bit of a taste of what it's like to be a student there. How can you figure out how the course is taught at that university? One of the most simplest ways to do that is just to check on their website. Most universities will give you a breakdown of what you'll be studying term by term, key dates for exams, and key dates for any activities that you'll be doing as part of the course. If it's not there, it's most likely not going to be part of the course, so it's important for you to take that into consideration. Another thing is obviously to check YouTube. There are hundreds of vloggers out there who share their university experience so that you can get a taste of what it's like to be at that university. It's definitely worth a search.